about, make sure you're a couple feet above. All right, today we're going to perform a valve leakage test utilizing water. We've plugged the spark plug for it. Now I'm going to fill the combustion chamber with water and see if we get a leak. All right, we had a leakage on the exhaust and the intake valve. Right now we're going to use valve grinding compound and this tool. We're going to apply some of this compound to the valve and the seat, see if we can't grind it to get it to seal. All right, I'm going to apply some of the compound to the seat of the exhaust valve and around the edge of the exhaust valve itself. And I'm going to install it. And then utilizing the tool, I'm going to sand it and see where we get. All right, now I'm going to apply some of the compound to the seat of the intake and the edge of the intake valve, and then I'm also going to utilize the tool to sand that one. And in doing this, we hope by sanding the intake and the exhaust valve that we can get them to seat and seal. All right, I've sanded both the intake and the exhaust valve and the seat to see if we can get this to stop leaking. I'm going to reinsert both of them, and then we're going to perform the leakage test again, the valve leakage test utilizing water. And you see we still have a leak on both the intake and the exhaust valve, so we'll have to go a little further and see what the problem may be. It's a possibility that the one of the valves itself, the head, could be bent or damaged. All right, performing the test after we sanded and retest, we still had a leak, so I'm going to check this valve and see if maybe it's got a problem, out of warpage or something. And it looks like there is some warpage on the head of the valve. All right.